guys, this is Tanisha. If you're new to this channel, if you're old, welcome back to my channel. So today on my episode 5, I'll be showing you how I do my tortilla wraps. I'll be showing you 2 different ways today. So let's get started. On my table I have a lot of stuff. So starting from this side, I have some thinly sliced onions. These are very evenly sliced over here. Then I have these kidney beans. These are soaked overnight and then boiled in the morning. These are sauteed bell peppers. I've added red, yellow, green, all of them. Now it's upon you whichever you wanna add. These are tortilla wraps. I've already heated them a bit on the pan with some butter. It's upon you if you wanna heat it before or after. So yeah. Then I have some sour cream this side and salsa dip, which again I showed you in my episode 2. So you can watch it over here in this link. And I have some salt, black pepper and grated cheese. And of course I have some flies here who will have to disturb me and I'll have to keep doing this over here. So yeah. I'll be showing you 2 different ways in which I do my tortilla wraps. So unfortunately my wrap is ready but my video got deleted, so I'll show it to you again. This is a problem I face on a daily basis. But let's do this. So first we are taking this tortilla wrap which is warm. Okay, and the first thing I'm gonna add is this sour cream. So if you're gonna warm it afterwards, you don't add the sour cream and salsa first. You will add it after it is warm. That's why I've warmed the wrap already. This much is enough here. Next thing I'm gonna add is the salsa dip. And now this is my favorite ingredient on this table. Of course, I love salsa dip and my family loves it too. So here this goes in generous quantities. After this, I'm going to add some onions. You can also saute it before if you want to, but I love the crunchiness of the onions, so that's why I'm adding it raw. Next, add the bell peppers. Yeah. After this, add salt to taste. Now again, I've got a big spoon and I'm gonna add more, but I'll take care this time. Not gonna be generous with the salt. Just a little bit more. So next add some black pepper. After this, add some grated cheese. Add in generous quantities because come on, who doesn't love cheese here? The quantities are all reduced because as I told you, I messed up my first video. So yeah, this is ready, my first style of tortilla wrap. Now I've not added too much on the corners because when I roll it up, it will come out, right? Here this goes. And my wrap is ready. So now I'll show you the second way of doing the tortilla wraps. First again, add sour cream. Here this goes. Put it in a lateral way or the entire circle, whatever you want to do. Next, add salsa dip. Now after this, I'm adding onions again. I'm not adding too much this time because This time we'll be adding the kidney beans. You can also add kidney beans and sauteed bell peppers, both of them at once, or you can add it separately. Together, I feel there's too much mix of taste, so I prefer to add it separately. A separate kidney beans one and a separate sauteed bell pepper one. So now add salt to taste. Here we need a little bit of more salt because these kidney beans are boiled and they don't have anything. Here it goes. Next, add black pepper. Now the process is similar for both these tortilla wraps. The only difference I've done is added kidney beans instead of bell peppers. And again, lots and lots of cheese. Why is it all falling apart? So here I'll add a little bit more. And it's time to wrap it up. Okay, cheese. Everyone say cheese. It's ready. Now I've placed it in this platter, cut it in 3 pieces. So let's taste it. Okay, this one is difficult to do. I'll try with this one. It tastes crazy. I feel like I'm in a cafe. I only need some, candle lights or something. This tastes perfect. I totally love it. I'm gonna give it a 10 on 10 this time. Because this one is actually tried and tested. This is not like I tried it for the first time. I've already made it like 5-6 times in this lockdown. So I'll give it a 10 on 10. You could also serve it with salsa separately and sour cream also. But I've already added it inside. So there's no need to, add any other sauce or anything, any dip. It's perfect just like this. If you do try these tortilla wraps, do share your pictures with me. I'd love to see them. Also, do follow my food journey on Instagram. My handle is @TheOctoberWallflower. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, ta-ra!